here, making it work. I just put a transmission in this Ford E350 2013, 184,000 miles. Transmission gave up the ghost, so we're going to use the launch scanner, and we're going to go into clear adaptives. Obviously, anytime you change a transmission, you got to clear all the transmission control memory, otherwise your new transmission won't last quite that long. 2013 Ford, correct VIN, diagnostic. Select the correct module. Now it's going into the computer, talking to everything, trying to make sure it's all happy. It's got a base radio. They've changed it to an aftermarket Kenwood actually, so you can see that right there. So I'm going to put base radio in there so it's not going to try to communicate with that radio. Special functions, powertrain, service functions, transmission, clear transmission adaptive tables. Yes, we want to do it. Turn the ignition on. It's already on. Operation succeeded just that fast, so it's definitely not worth risking hurting a new transmission. This is a 3-year 100,000 mile Jasper transmission in this, so I would just end up doing it under warranty if I didn't take a minute to go ahead and reset the adaptives. You can see just how fast it is, and when I turn this off, it'll set a reminder not to forget the dongle. Don't forget your VCI. There you go, guys. Quick video of resetting transmission adaptive tables with the launch torque scanner. See you in the next video.